Welcome friends in lecture 5 of lesson 10, light refraction and refraction of light. Fine. Now today's topic that we are going to take, last time we have learned in the previous lecture, that is about concave mirrors, that how the concave mirrors shows the properties with respect to the position of an object and position of an image. Today we are going to understand with respect to convex mirror. In case of an convex mirror, there are only two images that can be formed, and as you are seeing on the picture on the back side, the convex mirror, there is generally the two images that we understand, that is at infinity. Now in case of infinity, as we know, these convex lenses, convex mirrors are called as an diverging mirrors. So in case whenever the rays which are coming from a very far distance, that is object at infinity, all the rays which are parallel to the principal focus after striking gets diverged. Now in diverging them, the rays are not indefinitely diverged, they are diverged according to the focus that is on the back side. Now if all the rays are being placed in the form of n dots, you see they are concentrated on the focus point, right. So this is how you need to draw this particular object placed at infinity. The image will be not formed, that will be formed at behind the mirror, that means it will be virtual. So as we can say that in terms of position of an object, it is the object is at infinity. Position of an image, that will be at focus but behind the mirror. So nature of an image will be obviously virtual and erect, and the size of an image will be extremely diminished, very diminished. Now in case of position of an object, you see that the object is placed at slightly far away distance from a mirror. In far away distance, the object is between infinity and pole, that means it is at a certain definite position in front of the mirror. Now again the position of an image, so how to draw basically. So the object is placed in the front of the convex mirror, you have to draw a straight line and the line passes from the focus, the straight line which passes from the focus, and you need to draw an arrow. Actually the line is striking, the ray is striking and diverging, but you need to diverging, that you need to carry with respect to focus, and the second is passing right to the center of curvature. So both of them cross at certain point. You are seeing in the particular image, that is second part of an image on the right hand side, that it is getting on the back side. Now the red line which is showing as a smaller size is image which is formed, which is B, that is AB and A dash B dash. Now where is the position of an object, that is between pole and infinity, you can say that way. Where is an image formed, that is behind the mirror, and the nature of an image is virtual and erect, and the size of an object is diminished, not highly diminished, but yes, it is diminished. You can see the image properly. The next topic we are going to take with the same, with a convex mirror, that is its uses. Now from the uses you will understand that they are used as in rear view mirrors. Rear view mirrors means to see the object on the back side in terms of vehicles. So in the larger luxuries, you see a big mirrors are placed, because see there are two types of mirrors, one is concave and one is convex. In terms of city, when we are traveling, we are actually using concave mirrors, not convex. Why? Because we don't have to see a big view on the back side, we have to see a person who is coming exactly behind you. So the object is, it is written on a mirror that the object is slightly nearby than an actual image, right. But in case of convex mirrors, they are placed in luxuries as in rear view mirrors, rather inside the cars also, and inside the luxury also they are being kept to see the entire view of the luxury. That means though the members sitting in the luxury, passengers are seen in the smaller size, you can't see their faces very clearly, but you can see the entire view of the luxury, that somebody is missing, somebody is not there, or somebody is doing some kind of work or standing something odd around. That means they are able to see them. The same way in a luxury, that is a big mirror, rear view mirrors are kept, that are convex mirrors, where you are able to see the back side. Now the examples in which I have shown the picture also, that it is capable of seeing the back side, which is the another truck which is coming. So the truck is usually of very big size, but you see that the entire road view is seen and the luxury coming on the right hand side it is seen, and the back side small cars are also seen which are slightly far away. So we can see the images though they are very small. In the second view, you see that because they are show the erect and diminished and cover is the entire area, so they can be kept in restaurants, they are kept in sharp turns of the building where the cars in the underground parking, yeah, the cars which are sliding down does not know on the right hand side somebody is crawling up. So what we need to keep up the mirrors at the corners so that both of them are capable of seeing. Rather you will not be able to see the exact view, not even the type of the car which is coming, but you will at least understand which some that big cars are coming or a small car is coming, and you not reach to an accident mode. Fine. In the another as you see in the retail big shop, that's an entire view of the shop is there, where maybe the exact face of the person you can't see, but at least you can see a person there standing and viewing something, or if he or she is not finding, you may go and help him or her out, or thieving maybe, so they can be it can be stopped. Fine. So these are the basic uses of convex mirrors, and we have seen how to draw the particular. There are only two images that need to be drawn. So thank you for this lecture.